We have filed vigilance complaints already with the Chief Vigilance Officer against the AMSA Council, the Chief Officer of AMSA, the DMA and the Deputy CM, and also the additional Director of Hospital Administration as well. Now, what is this issue? This council in 2013 passed a resolution to allow 4 cases wherein people have applied for stalls. Now, in each of these cases, it is under a scheme called it's a rehabilitation scheme. So back in the year 1998, there was a High Court judgment wherein all these pedestrians, whoever shops on the stalls or the pedestrians, they will be removed, and the Goa government decided to rehabilitate them under each municipal council. However, illegal say structures, whoever have extended beyond their original shop, hand carts, sopos were not included in this scheme. What this council has done is taken 4 cases, okay, one of Umesh Mayekar, the other of Vanudas Kalakundkar, and Anant Kudalkar, Madan Navlikar, and Narendra Prabhu. These people have been allotted total of more than 7 shops, nearly 7 plus shops. Just to brief you, Umesh Mayekar had a shop of on a particular piece of land of 14 square meters. So he was allotted 5 shops equivalent of 8 square meters each. Now here the original shop was 43 square meters. So there was a balance of 3 square meters remaining. So the municipality is supposed to allocate only if the area is above 50% of the new shops which are there in the Mamsa market. It is 8 square meters. So it should be 4 square meters above. Here is only 3 square meters. He was given a shop. Vanudas Kalakundkar died in 1991, and he had a hand cart. Now somebody started using it, illegally built a kiosk around it, and he goes to ask for a shop. Now in the record it shows that in 2003, 60,000 was paid by this Vanudas Kalakundkar. Again, he died in 1991, but the municipal issued a receipt in his name in 2003 of 60,000 for the shop, but his application was rejected. The scheme never had an option for a hand cart to be rehabilitated. So this, and in the file notings, it is clearly mentioned, and actually in the original file notings, it is mentioned that all the 4 cases cannot be approved, but the authority has still gone ahead and approved it.